It's really good. We get a lot of exciting opportunities, especially at Wolves. It's a club I support as well, so they provide us with a really good base for learning. And alongside that, we also have a set day for placement and also hours we can gain within the club, within the foundation, and build them key relationships.
There's so much more time to do your coaching alongside your degree, which then you get your experience up, which you wouldn't on the majority of other courses. The blended learning was so much better for me.
It's gone really well. Been more exposed to the opportunities and the standards that we have to be. It's a big step up from foundation.
Great facilities, it's like brilliant, like even playing on here and then like watching like the coaches, it gives you like a different type of knowledge and it, like to be able to put into my sessions, learn off different people rather than just people at my club.
The key thing I say to anybody, the guys on our course, anyone, is give yourself a schedule, give yourself a timetable and stick to that. Work hard. You know, there's guys at the trust that have wanted to go to full-time roles and maybe haven't felt they could have done because of something like the USW degree. Can they make that jump? And you can, as long as you can organise yourself and manage, prioritise what you want to do. It's achievable.